Car Tech. Today's video is just going to be kind of just a mismatch of stuff that we did today, mostly brakes, really nothing special. Johnny did have some special brakes.
I wish we had footage of that.
Yeah, unfortunately we didn't get any footage of it, but today's video we did actually put some 11-inch rear brakes on the red Panda. Do you have anything else to add?
No, I don't. I haven't been able to get anything for mine, so we're not even going to talk about that yet.
Yeah, Johnny's just, you know, pumping those dance moves behind the screen. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Tag. Let's get the memory card over here and let's upload this.
Oh, look at that. That doesn't help. Look at this. Oh, okay, it's stuck, but that doesn't mean that it's keeping the car from rolling forward. I figured you could just use a brick. There you go. That's preventative maintenance right there. I ain't fixing my car.
Trying to make that work.
Shouldn't we show the loot here before we get ready to plug it in? I just wanted to do it. Oh. You still can't drift.
I don't need to drift. I just passed you.
That's okay, I'll have more fun.
There he is.
Dun, dun, dun.
So we just need to hyperextend this 1 inch. Dude, he's got the smug look, man.
Look at this thing.
Yeah.
He does look smug. Just don't get into furries, man. They'll be smug all day. That face don't change on that mask.
Smug. Man, your rims are so
Dirty. Curb rashed.
yeah, that too.
You ready for me to take them off?
Yeah, you take them off. I'm a real good cameraman.
I don't know if they need to know what that's from, but that we're trying to fix.
So what's this green monster doing?
We're getting rid of that.
We're getting.
Yeah, that's getting sold.
Explain why we're getting rid of it.
Because I don't like Ford, and I need money.
And there's another Honda Civic in the garage.
Yeah, 2001 four-door. That's
One of the
needs an automatic transmission because it blew up, and we got one for like $60 from a friend. So, man, don't get me scratching my side. But yeah, that's his. Why don't you? You were on the camera. You were on the camera last week.
He's already. Yep, you're on camera,
You were
man.
already on the camera.
I'll blind you.
So what do we got here, man?
So this was my daily for the past 5 years, and now I got the Civic. So now we're going to be manual swapping the Civic, and then this thing's going to be getting BCs and probably some.
Listen, an eyeball.
No, what's the what's the wheels that I want? I can't. I don't know. Probably like $4 grand worth of mods and a new motor, like a Sonata motor, 2011 Sonata turbo. So it's going to be almost 300 horsepower. Hopefully I can get an LSD. But it's not, the motor is stock, so it's not really worth looking at it right now, but it's on Racelands and rep wheels. And it's been in like two front-on collisions. Or it's been in one front-on collision. It's been run over by a ginormous Ford, which I still haven't found the guy that did it. And it's on Racelands right now, but the rear struts are dead, so I have to get BCs soon.
So we're gonna make this one proper, guys. We're gonna put a manual transmission.
Yeah,
in.
this guy I got as a gift. But it's clean. The only problem with it is that it's got well, it's an auto, but it's got sunburnt or sun-bleached rear seats, and that's it. It's a weak 1.7, so I don't even think. What does it make? Like 90 horsepower, 100 horsepower, something
Not
like
enough.
that. Yeah, definitely not enough.
Need some light in there.
Nah, we're good.
We good.
The interior lights work fine. So that's the workhorse. That's the one that gets me.
You guys already know about this one.
We got one more that's his, the Oldsmobile we're trying to sell. which the only thing we've done to that is
Everything.
no, we've straight piped it, but other than that, there's really nothing that's been done to it.
Pretty much.
You got your keys?
I do.
You want to hear it?
Yeah, let's hear this thing, man. Let's hear the grandpa car.
Yeah.
We're gonna hear proper grandpa status.
Did you put the wrong key in there?
No. I thought I left it unlocked.
Oh, okay.
Look at that. Easy. Look at those fancy red lights.
All right. This thing was a mess. It kind of straight piped itself, so. You don't need to get. Dude. You don't need to get that close with that mic. It's gonna be clipping so bad.
No, I'm just.
Back up.
I'm just.
It's got no exhaust. Come on.
I'm showing the people the no exhaust.
Is it starting up, dude? No. Why is it not starting? What, electrically? Give it gas.
Jesus.
Yeah, starter won't crank over, so we got to jump that before he leaves.
This poor car, man.
It's seen so much crap.
You don't want to be hurt.
No, like seriously, the car's been abandoned in like two different people's houses. It was left in my garage for a while, and then we finally figured out that it was the
Right out of it.
what was it that was wrong with it that we ended up getting?
Coil packs.
It was a coil pack.
Okay.
So we changed like the crank position sensor and a bunch of other things, and like even though it's an old car, it's still got a lot of sensor things. So like if the sensor's bad, it's not going to start, or it's going to act up because it's a luxury car. So we went to the yard, pulled a coil pack right off of a Pontiac, and then